Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate keyboard Clipboard on your OPPO Reno8 Lite. So in order to do this, let's open any app that allows your keyboard to pop up like this. In this case I'm using Messages, and here click on this clipboard icon. Now if you want to enable it, there's two ways. You can press on this icon right here, or click turn on clipboard like this. Now if you want to start using it, I'm gonna show you a few tips. First one is to press on this pen, and as you can see there's a few of the text already saved, and we don't need that because that's just some information. So we can select everything like this, click on the trash icon right like that, and that way we'll delete everything that we copied to our clipboard. Now if we want to add something for our clipboard, first you will need to write it. So I'm just gonna go with elephant word. Like this. You can do it with sentences. So let's just add H, for example. Now let's hold our finger onto the word, or move it to the entire sentence. Click on copy. Now let's go back to our clipboard, and here we can find the word that we've just copied. We can hold our finger to it, pin it, delete it or paste it, and we can also press on this pen right here and do the same thing, but with these icons right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.